Hello, my heart-centric friends. Stop overcomplicating prompts and try AI prompt for exercise the heart-centric way. You know, you don't need overcomplicated prompts. Sustainable progress comes from practicing an approach with AI prompts for exercise with intention and heart. So I decided that since I had recently had a stroke, that I would use AI to create a prompt for myself for exercise. I've been struggling with walking and I use a walker. And I really would like to get back on my feet so I don't always have to use a walker to get around. So I created this prompt. Act as someone starting to exercise again after having and are recovering from a stroke, and heading and needing to strengthen my legs. It needs to be simple, easy, and something that I can do for 15 to 20 minutes every other day. So provide me suggestions on how I might go about it, start it, and keep myself motivated because I live in Chicago. So I have to think about how am I going to handle this as the fall progresses and we get into winter. And since I use a walker, I really don't know where I should begin. And after I entered that into ChatGPT, it was amazing what it gave me. It gave me a really valid exercise routine. First, starting with gentle strength building and specific exercises that would strengthen my legs, along with a warm-up, the core activity, and my leg activation, some gentle endurance, a cool down, and some other deep breathing exercises. Then it provided me amazingly ways to keep motivated, like how to trigger the routine, maybe having music, a progress log, which it then offered to create for me, creating some mini goals along the way, having a buddy checklist, and some visualizations. And along with the staying motivated ideas, it also gave me a bunch of gentle reminders, which I thought was amazing. So if you like what I've shared thus far, hit the like and the subscribe because I'll have more of these kinds of videos in the future. What's really important, though, is to not overcomplicate it. Now, mine had some very specific things, but it wasn't complicated. It was just like talking to a friend who knew more about exercise than I did and allowed me to say, well, I've just had a stroke. I'm recovering. I use a walker. What do you think I should do? And AI came back with some really good suggestions. Now, in all honesty, I'm old enough to know most of these things. But I found it interesting, fascinating, and fun to discover there are ways for AI to help me do the kinds of things that need to be done in my life. And I'm really appreciative. So by using chat in a fashion that is conversational, as opposed to being concerned that you have to write really complex prompts, this example tells you that you really don't need to do that. And you can do this with the free version of ChatGPT, and it will give you that kind of detailed information. If you've enjoyed this video, if it has given you some ideas on how you can use AI to create even a customized exercise routine amazingly, hit the like, subscribe, comment below, put the word heart in, and I'll be happy to send you this prompt so that you can build off of it in AI. And again, I appreciate your time. Tomorrow, look for my video on AI and joy. Yep, technology can have a joyful side. And have a great day. Bye.